saving the taxpayers vast sums. Edwards-based California, arrival scenes, and a very full royal programme was to follow. After a whole day of violent explosions, only these ruins remained of what was once Fort Focke, an ammunition depot 3 miles from Strasbourg. The fort, built after the 1870 war, had walls 10 feet thick and contained 200 tons of explosives and ammunition. 6 workmen in the fort lost their lives. Lieutenant Weber, who was 200 yards away, although thrown to the ground, luckily escaped injury. As the situation was dangerous, it was clearly vital to clear up the live ammunition.